Here are 5 easy command prompt shortcuts. Method 1. You can easily open the command prompt by clicking Start and then typing CMD into the search box. Also, click or tap on the microphone icon in Cortana's search field and say Launch Command Prompt. Method 2. Press Windows R to open Runbox. Type CMD and then click OK to open a regular command prompt. Method 3. Right-click an empty spot on the desktop. From the context menu, select New, then Shortcut. Type cmd.exe into the box and then click Next. Give the shortcut a name and then click Finish. Method 4. Click Start. Scroll down and expand the Windows System folder. Click Command Prompt. Method 5. Right-click the menu bar and open Task Manager. Click File and choose Run New Task. Type CMD or cmd.exe and then click OK to open up a regular command prompt. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Brought to you by Netsolus.